Hello, so this lesson is about finding the mean from a frequency table. And we're going to start with this shape starter. Just calculate the volume of these cuboids. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the answers now. If you haven't quite finished, pause while you're doing it. Okay, so welcome back. The answers, just marking your own. And side heading examples. So look at this first example. So this is all a frequency table is. So what I've done here is I've imagined I've asked 10 people how many times did they have pizza for their dinner last month, and one person didn't have it at all, 2 people had it once, 4 people had it twice, 2 people had it 3 times, and 1 person had it 4 times. Okay, so what we're going to do today is have a look at the simple method of finding the mean from a table, and what we do is we rewrite all this data down as a list. So one person had pizza no times, 2 people had pizza 1 time, 4 people had pizza 2 times, 2, 3, 4, 3 people had pizza twice, no, 2 people had pizza 3 times, and 1 person had pizza 4 times. So this number here, these numbers added together would tell us how many pizzas people had altogether. Okay, so you can use a calculator if you want. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 6 there. 4 is 20. And I said that we've got 10 people here. So to find our mean, we're going to write 20 divided by 10. So our mean is 2. Let's have a look at the next example. So we've got number of goals scored in a match. Okay, so again, we're just going to write this out in a list. This is going to be a bit longer now, so we're going to look for a little shortcut, but we can see that we've got no goals twice. So we're going to start with 0 and 0. 1 goal 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 goals 5 times. 3 goals 4 times. And 4 goals twice. Okay, so looking at these, it's a bit hard to do in our heads, and also if we try to do that on a calculator we might get ourselves mixed up. But what we do is I can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so I can call that 4. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 twos. I've got 3, 6, 9, 12, and 4 and 8. And then it's a lot easier to do our adding up now then. So I'm going to use my calculator here, and I can see that I've got 34. So I know I've got 34, and I've got to divide it by something. Okay, so what am I going to divide it by? Well, I'm going to find out how many matches were played, so I need to add those up. If I add those up, I'll find that I've got 17 matches. So 34 divided by 17 is 2. So our mean is 2. So that's the mean number of goals scored is 2. So let's just look at one more example. Okay, so I've been driving around the countryside. I haven't really, obviously, it's just imaginary. And I looked in one field, I saw there was 3 sheep in the field. 2 fields had 4 sheep. 1 field had 5 sheep. 4 fields had 6 sheep, and 2 fields had 7 sheep. So I'm going to write this out again as a list. So 3 once, 4 twice, 5 just once, 6 4 times, and 7 twice. Okay, so I can see I've got 3 and 47, and another 4 is 8. No, it isn't. 11. Got 5 there on its own. Got 6, 12, 18, 24. 7 and 7 is 14. So I'm going to put these into my calculator. Which gives me 54. So I've got 54 divide by. So I'm going to add all these up. So I can say 1, 2, 3. That's 4, 8, and 10. So got 54 sheep divided by 10 fields. So we've got an average of 5.4 sheep in each field. So our mean So there we go. So side heading main task. So here we go. Just have a look at those. Obviously pause while you're doing it. Okay, welcome back. Let's have a look at the answers. Here we go. So let's have a look at our checking question now. So how many takeaways to eat each month? And I know I've got 10 here, so I don't need to add that up. So I'm just going to say I had 0 once. I had 1 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 4 times. 2, 3 once. And 4 once. Okay, so I can see I've got 3 there. Plus 8. Plus 3 and 4 is 7. So adding those up together, I've got 18. So my mean is 18 divided by 10, which is 1.8. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll speak to you soon.